Okay guys, so this fell out. This bolt here fell out of this cutter bar. This is on the Ryobi expanded articulating hedge trimmer, 15-inch or whatever. It fell out of here, but I did manage to find it, and I haven't messed with this thing in a long time. But let's see, we're gonna put this back in. I don't really use this much, but this is one of the things I've been wanting to do. So let's see here. Okay, so in this bolt, just get it down in here, hold it. I'm gonna go through and hold on a second. I thought this was a. Okay, it is a 10. Oh. I always want to make sure all these are good and tight, not tight, but make sure they're all in place. I tell you what, sometimes trying to find these things for these hedge trimmer bars can be a pain sometimes. It's too tight. Just enough here. Let's see, just about that, and then it'll still turn some, but yeah, that's perfect. So actually that helps with some of the bend it had. Yeah, that sure does. Yeah, so just make sure these are tight and you shouldn't have an issue. So anyways guys, that's that. See you guys later. Bye.